많이 불어요. 아 추워요. 우와. 링컨 머터니티 유닛. 아 이쁘다 이렇게 찍으니까.
난 뉴질랜드의 바람이 싫어.
나도 싫어.
이 나라 제일 싫은 거 바람. 도당체가 바닷가든 아니든 바람 안 부는 데가 없어.
짜라라짜. 머터니티 유닛이다. 이렇게 생겼어. 베이비 프렌들리 이니셔티브. 룸 레이아웃이 이렇게 있구나. 지금 우리가 지금 여기 있는 거구나. 키친. 그러면 이제 이쪽이 베드 1 선 에리아, 베드 2 선 에리아, 베드 3 선,
두 명이 많이.
베드 4 선, 베드 5 없고, 베드 6 없고.
그래서 보통 진료는 이런 데서 보고 애기 낳는데 두 군데 있네.
아, 애가 애기 낳는데 birthing.
여기 욕조 있을 거고 어딘가 욕조 있겠다.
애 낳는 데는 두 곳, 임산부가 있을 수 있는 곳은 선 에리아가 있는 곳이 4개, 없는 곳이 2개. 이렇게 있네.
They're still measuring a bit bigger, 34 centimetres today.
Really? Last time measurement was a smaller.
Small. It could be baby's position though. If baby's still sitting with the head up and bottom in the pelvis, it can change that measurement, okay? So whatever we feel, is that alright? Oh yeah, no, that's a leg.
Really?
Yeah. Give me your hand. It's a foot. Can you feel it? You can't feel it? You feel a sharp.
Really?
This. Hang on. There's a foot, yeah. Can you feel that?
I can feel something,
A
but
bony structure.
Yeah.
That's a baby's foot.
Really?
So he's still in bridge.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! I need to do some exercise for baby's position changing.
Just that. So next time you do go swimming, try and do a handstand.
Ah, really?
Yeah. They say doing a handstand, the baby doesn't like it and turn it.
Okay, I will try.
So this here is one of the postnatal rooms. So once you've had your baby, you're entitled to stay for 2 nights to get some assistance with breastfeeding, whatever you need. And so we've got 4 big rooms like this. Well, obviously the one we were in as well. Okay. So this is the main room we use for birthing. We don't have a bed. If we need to use a bed for any suturing, we go next door. It's got a proper hospital bed there. Okay, so it's a bit older. It's a bit more homely environment.
Oh,
that's what it's about. Yeah. So in behind here is all the same equipment that we would have at Christchurch Women's Hospital or any other hospital. So this is all if we needed to help or support a baby with their breathing. This is what we use, and we're all trained to use this and do those kind of things. If we needed to talk to a baby doctor really quickly, we hook it up through this speaker so we can talk to them directly as we're doing what we need to do. To be honest, in the 10 years, I've only ever had to use that phone twice. Okay, it's only twice in 10 years. Most babies will come out absolutely fine, or if we do have to bring them over here, it's only for a very short time just to help clear the fluid out of their lungs. And then they're okay, and we give them back to you. So just in this other room over here. That's where we have just a shower, toilet and pool. Okay, so little women do choose to labour in there. And then some go on to birth. Okay. And there, just behind there is just towels and linen and things like that. So we have the Internox gas here. Did you use the gas with the other children? You didn't use anything?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with the gas. Yeah. Actually, we don't use any gas. Yeah, laughing kind of laughing. Do you mean laughing gas?
Yeah, laughing gas. Yeah.
We normally don't use laughing gas for birthing.
Why do you use laughing gas for gas?
Pain relief.
So what
For her?
Yeah.
Ah.
No, for you. No.
Because you make me laugh to entertain her.
No, so what it does, it helps regulate women's breathing, especially if the contractions are really intense, because women tend to hold their breath. So the gas, they breathe in and out, so they're just relaxing.
Okay.
Things go quicker if they're relaxed.
You haven't used, right?
I haven't.
You don't have to, but it's there if you wanted to.
Okay.
Unfortunately, no, you can't.
Okay. Can I?
Only if you bring your own.
Okay.
So yeah, pretty much this is it. So they can have 6 women who will let babies stay. And obviously that's one of the smaller rooms. If you do birth here, we endeavour, do our best to try and get one of the bigger rooms. Okay, well things to think about. It will depend if your baby, what position your baby decides to go in at the end of the closer to the time. And how the sugar levels go as well. Okay. But yes, absolutely. If you're labouring in a hurry, we will come to you. So yeah, don't ever feel like you're going to be on your own, especially when your husband goes to work in Christchurch. Okay. If things are going quickly, we will come to you.
Is there anything we should prepare for the home birth, possible home birth? Or?
There's not much you really need, just maybe a container for the placenta. Otherwise, we bring everything with us that we need.
If I have to do it urgently at home, so you will bring everything.
We will bring, between me and another midwife, we will bring everything. We have an oxygen cylinder that we bring to every home birth, just in case we needed to give baby any support to breathe. We bring that with us as well. Okay, so yeah. Just don't labour on a day where we've got one midwife all the way out there and another one out there. That'll be good. Yeah. Okay. Awesome. All right, we'll see you in 2 weeks. Okay, take care. Nice to meet you.